Hello there, my name is Sasha and welcome to my healthy channel. It's time for ice cream today, so I want to share with you a very simple recipe from very simple ingredients, and you can make any flavor of this ice cream you want. The best thing about it is that we'll do without any ice cream machine, so just a freezer and a few ingredients. So we start with pouring any milk or cream into the saucepan. I take 300 ml of 15% cream and 650 ml of milk. But keep in mind that the fatter the mass, the creamier the taste. We need to bring it to a boil, and while it's boiling, we mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a little milk. Also add some sweetener or sugar to the milk. I have 0-calorie sugar substitute. When milk is boiling, pour in the starch with milk. Continue stirring constantly and cook for 5 minutes more. Now pour the milk mixture into a container or any pan for cooling. But that's not all. At this stage, after freezing, there will be large pieces of ice in the ice cream. And I know how to get rid of them. But before that, we need to choose which flavor we are going to make. So for vanilla one, just add a little bit of vanilla to the mixture. After freezing, we need to destroy all the ice crystals with a blender. Cut the frozen mass into 3 parts for 3 different flavors. To the first one, we add 1 medium-sized banana. It can be absolutely any fruit. It's going to be delicious with mango, or pineapple, or peach. Next one is a berry version, so I add 100 grams of frozen raspberries. Mix until it's a homogeneous mass. And the last flavor is chocolate. So I put a tablespoon of cocoa powder. By the way, you can add some more sweetener to chocolate and raspberry version, because it was a little bit plain for me. And I also put some pieces of dates in the chocolate ice cream. It's so delicious, just believe me. My family ate the whole ice cream just in 2 days. So enjoy it, guys, and see you in other videos. Bye!